Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create Xiaomi account on Poco C65. Okay guys, so for those of you who are users Xiaomi, then you are obligated to create a Xiaomi account on your cell phone. Because in the Xiaomi account, we can access various kind of feature on the cell phone. So without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first, now you can go to Xiaomi community and yeah, now you can skip this one and you can click agree for all terms and condition, and then you can click for account and click sign in. So here you can click for create account over here, and yeah, now you can add your email address and then you can make your own password and then confirm your password like this. Then agree all the privacy and terms and then click next. So yeah, here's the account of Xiaomi. You can edit your profile and I will edit my nickname. And then this randomly I wanna change the name, and when you're finished you can click save. So yeah, here's my Xiaomi account. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to make or how to create Xiaomi account on Poco C65, and thank you so much for watching.